Magic way to reverse cavities and heal tooth decay, even in children. I can provide you with information on dental care and cavity prevention, but I must emphasize that there is no magic way to reverse cavities or heal tooth decay. Cavities occur due to the breakdown of tooth enamel by acids produced by bacteria in the mouth. Once a cavity forms, it cannot heal on its own and requires dental intervention. However, there are steps you can take to prevent cavities and maintain good oral health. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using fluoride toothpaste. This helps remove plaque and bacteria that can lead to cavities. Floss daily. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth and along the gum line, where toothbrushes cannot reach effectively. Limit sugary foods and drinks. Sugar contributes to the production of acids by bacteria in the mouth, leading to tooth decay. Limit your consumption of sugary snacks, beverages, and acidic foods. Have a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins helps provide essential nutrients for healthy teeth and gums. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups allow your dentist to detect cavities early and provide appropriate treatment. Professional cleanings also help remove plaque and tartar buildup. Fluoride treatments. Fluoride is a mineral that can strengthen tooth enamel and make it more resistant to acid attacks. Your dentist may recommend fluoride treatments or fluoride toothpaste to help prevent cavities. Sealants. Dental sealants are thin plastic coatings applied to the chewing surfaces of the back teeth. They act as a barrier against bacteria and can help prevent cavities in the grooves and pits of the teeth. Remember, these preventive measures are important for maintaining good oral health, but if a cavity develops, it is essential to visit a dentist for proper treatment, which may involve removing the decayed portion and placing a filling or crown.